Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Purple Shampoo and Conditioner is probably one of the most sought-after hair care solutions for anyone looking to combat brassiness and maintain vibrant, cool-toned blonde, silver, or highlighted hair, offering a salon-quality toning experience right at home and ensuring your color stays fresh and bright between salon visits. Number 5. Luseta Purple Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Introducing our Purple Shampoo and Conditioner Set, specially formulated for blonde and gray hair. It's designed to enhance your color and bring life back to your locks. Experience a gentle yet effective cleanse with our sulfate-free and paraben-free formula. It's safe for color-treated hair, ensuring vibrant color without harsh chemicals. Enriched with coco's nucifera oil, this set deeply nourishes your hair. It helps to restore moisture and improve the texture of damaged strands. Whether your hair is curly or damaged, our formula provides the care it needs. It helps to detangle, soften, and strengthen your hair with every wash. Enjoy long-lasting results with our convenient 2x 16.9-ounce set. You'll have plenty of product to maintain your hair's beautiful color and health. What we like. This set is deeply moisturizing, perfect for those with curly or damaged hair. If you have textured hair that needs extra hydration and care, this is a fantastic choice. It's formulated without sulfates or parabens, making it gentle yet effective for maintaining color. What people say. This shampoo and conditioner set is specifically designed to tone blonde hair, neutralizing brassy tones and enhancing the purple hue. The formula is sulfate-free, making it gentle on color-treated hair and preventing excessive dryness. Users have reported that it effectively brightens blonde hair and leaves it feeling soft and manageable. Number 4. Natural Riches Purple Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Tired of unwanted brassy and yellow tones in your blonde, silver, or gray hair? Our Purple Shampoo and Conditioner Set is here to help. This sulfate-free, color-safe formula is designed to gently cleanse and nourish your hair. It effectively removes brassiness while preserving your vibrant color. Whether your hair is natural, highlighted, or bleached, this set is perfect for you. It restores a beautiful, natural-looking tone. Experience renewed shine and brightness. It leaves your lighter shades looking their absolute best, free from dullness. Get salon-quality results at home with our generously sized bottles. Achieve the perfect blonde, silver, or gray you've always wanted. What we like. This duo excels at banishing brassy and yellow tones, leaving blonde, silver, and gray hair looking vibrant. If you're looking for a powerful yet gentle solution to maintain your cool-toned hair, this set is ideal. Its color-safe and sulfate-free formula ensures your hair stays healthy and bright. What people say. This shampoo and conditioner set is specifically designed for blonde, bleached, and highlighted hair, effectively neutralizing unwanted yellow tones. The formula is sulfate-free, which helps to maintain hair's moisture and prevent dryness, making it suitable for frequent use. Users have reported that the product leaves their hair feeling soft and looking brighter after just a few washes. Number 3. Kitsch Toning Purple Shampoo Bar. Discover the Kitsch Toning Purple Shampoo Bar, designed for blondes and color-treated hair. It's perfect for both women and men looking to enhance their hair's vibrancy. This powerful shampoo bar effectively neutralizes unwanted brassy tones, leaving your hair looking refreshed and bright. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to vibrant color. Infused with biotin, it works to strengthen your hair from root to tip. Experience healthier, more resilient locks with every wash. Our formula is vegan, silicone-free, and sulfate-free, ensuring a gentle yet effective cleansing experience. It's kind to your hair and the planet. Enjoy the convenience of a shampoo bar that's as sustainable as it is effective. This 3.2-ounce bar is perfect for home or travel, reducing plastic waste. Get ready to achieve your best blonde or color-treated look yet. This bar is your new secret weapon for maintaining beautiful, toned hair. What we like. Experience a unique, eco-friendly approach with this shampoo bar. It's infused with biotin to strengthen hair while effectively neutralizing brassy tones. If you prefer solid hair care or are looking for a vegan, silicone-free option that's great for both men and women, this is the one to try. What people say. This shampoo and conditioner set is specifically designed to tone blonde hair, neutralizing brassy tones and enhancing the purple hue. The formula is sulfate-free, making it gentle on the hair and scalp, and suitable for color-treated hair. Users have reported that the product effectively removes yellow and orange tones, leaving hair looking brighter and more vibrant. Number 2. Sun Bum Lighten and Tone Travel Kit. Introducing the Sun Bum Lighten and Tone Travel Kit. This set is designed to enhance your hair's natural color and shine. It's perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. It works to bring out the best in your hair's natural hue. Achieve a brighter, more vibrant look with ease. Get ready for compliments on your enhanced color. Tired of unwanted brassy tones? This formula helps to neutralize them effectively. Enjoy a more balanced and beautiful hair color. Protect your hair from damaging UV rays. This kit offers essential protection to keep your strands healthy. Maintain your hair's vitality even in the sun. Feel good about your beauty choices. Our products are proudly vegan and cruelty-free. Experience effective hair care that aligns with your values. This travel-sized kit is your ideal companion for any trip. Keep your hair looking its best wherever you go. Enjoy beautiful hair, effortlessly, on the move. What we like. This travel kit offers a dual action of lightening and toning, perfect for enhancing blonde hair. If you want to add subtle brightness and shine while protecting your hair from UV damage, this is your go-to. It's ideal for maintaining sun-kissed locks on the go. What people say. It gradually lightens your hair in a really natural way, and the toner balances it out perfectly, no weird orange tones. Sun Bum not only lightened the best, but also seemed to nourish my hair. This product allowed me to gently blend the different levels. Number 1. Sulfate-free Brass Toning Purple Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Tired of unwanted brassy tones? Our Purple Shampoo and Conditioner Set is specially formulated to neutralize yellow and orange hues. Perfect for enhancing the beauty of gray and silver hair. It helps maintain a vibrant, cool-toned look. Experience deep hydration without stripping your hair's natural moisture. It's also color-safe, protecting your treated hair. Watch your hair transform with increased shine and brightness. It leaves your locks looking radiant and healthy. Crafted with care in the USA, ensuring quality and effectiveness. Each bottle contains 16 fluid ounces. What we like. Achieve brighter, more luminous gray and silver hair with this moisturizing set. It's designed to be color-safe, enhancing shine without stripping your hair. If you have gray or silver hair and are seeking a hydrating formula that boosts brightness and is proudly made in the USA, this set is an excellent selection. What people say. It smells amazing and leaves my hair feeling soft and moisturized. This shampoo and conditioner set is fantastic for toning brassy hair. It really brightens up blonde and silver tones without drying out my hair. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.